Hi everyone, here's another video that I've been asked to make. Now this is one that a lot of people have a problem with. I did myself when I first started out. It's how to make the belt, if you've got a belt on a pair of jeans or a skirt or whatever, and if you just do it as just say a rectangle, it looks, when you have it on in World, it looks like the back is much thicker than the front. So this tutorial is to show you how you can clean that up and sort that problem. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this template that I've got here, and I'm just going to open it in GIMP. Right, you can see it's just a pair of jeans. Oh, wrong one, sorry, it's the G-zip one I want, because the G-zip actually gives me all the layers. Okay, so open that, and we open that, and we'll get rid of these running ants, and we'll lower the opacity here. Now add a new layer. Now just for the sake of this test, I'm just going to make this belt black. So I go over to my color panel here and I just use these two arrows and just change the foreground color back to black. So just grab your rectangular select tool, zoom up to about 100, and then just like so, make this belt quite deep for now because I want to show you how the problem that we have when we just apply it like this. So use my bucket fill tool, bucket fill that, bring up the opacity on the white layer, hide my mesh. Now file, export as, it's the test 2, which that's it. And do not try to upload the test 2 GZ file, because that won't work. Let's put it like this. Your RLC publisher only accepts PNG files. So we'll export, replace, export. Now then, just go back into my clothing, my design clothing, configuration, and then I look for the skinny jeans, replace, choose file, desktop, there's the one we want, so open, replace. Now I know that this belt is going to be way too deep, but this is just to give you an idea. So I've applied it, and you can see there. Now this doesn't look too bad because it's quite deep, but if I were to say just go in there and grab my rectangular select tool and bring it down a bit and then cut, oh wrong one, edit, select invert and then cut, and that'll cut the lower part out for me. And then if I grab my rectangular select and just get rid of those running ants, and then go down here and scale it down, move this up, and then go file, export to test 2. Go into configuration. Sorry guys, this is just another quick tutorial that I've been asked to make, so I am pretty much just skimming through it in the hope that you all know what I'm doing and what I'm talking about. If not, go back to my earlier videos and it will show you everything that I'm doing here. Right. Now you can see at the back there it is a bit deeper than the front. You can see it there. Not a lot. If this belt was much thinner, then you would really see it. But let me show you what I'm now going to do. I'm going to bring up my mesh tool and we'll hide this for now just by clicking on that eye icon. You can hide this. And what we want to do is lower the opacity of the belt. and we grab our alignment tool. You can just grab this line here and just bring that up a bit and grab one for the center because you need this centered. And let's see, right, so now we grab your pre-select tool and you go up there and you just bring this down. Again, this is a case of practice and testing it all the time. But this is where your alignment tools come in very, very handy, because you can literally just get a nice alignment and you know that both sides are going to be equally aligned, because this mesh joins in the back and you want those lines to be spot on. Right, so let's try that and we'll close that. File, export. And again, choose file, this one, replace, publish, test on avatar. And there you can see that's cut it. It's actually made it thinner, but you get the idea of what I'm saying about you must cut pieces off. And then all you do is just using your layers, adding different pieces like a belt and buttonhole and holes and what have you. Any texture you want to add your belt, you just add your layers, etc. and that's you good to go. So that's that video for now, and it really is quite easy. But again, do use your alignment tools and they will make the job much, much easier, and do test every step of the way. Okay guys, that's this video for now.